Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Walmart gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your web browser in the URL box appearing at the top of the screen. Type in www.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Walmart. Make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, go and mouse over to your Accounts tab at the top right-hand corner, click on the Account button in the pop-up menu. And this will open up your account section. You'll be able to see an option that says Wallet right beneath it. Go and select Gift Card option. You can go ahead and enter your gift card number that is available at the back of your Walmart gift card in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says PIN and typing a 4-digit PIN code that is available at the back field gift card. Now typing a gift card nickname on the next field. And finally click on the Save Card button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now once you save a gift card for Walmart, you can use it as a method of payment while checking out with a purchase online. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card for Walmart. I hope that the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll soon be back as more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.